next story was written by
Aiden,
Ezra,
Anastasia, Eliana, Pia.
and this is our story.
And it's called Leave Jack the Puppy Alone.
In a world inside of a pretzel, there was a cute, desired, fluffy pup. His name was Jack the puppy, and he was the only puppy left.
I am Jack the puppy. I live alone in the back of the adoption shelter. COC. I want everyone to disappear except for Victor, who sprinkles my food every time.
I deny.
I want everyone to disappear. No one is ever kind to me, just Victor.
Who works at the shelter?
Back.
Oh, look.
Oh, look. What is that?
I think it's an asteroid.
My name is Anastasia. I am the Earth's protector. I keep everyone safe by taking dangerous stuff from coming to the earth.
I want everyone to disappear except for Victor, who sprinkles my food every time.
Oh, but why?
I want everyone to disappear. No one is ever kind to me, just Victor.
Who works at the shelter?
I will protect this earth and make a forcefield around. If everyone disappears, who will adopt the only puppy left?
Adopt? I want everyone to disappear. No one is ever kind to me, but maybe if I get adopted, maybe if everyone disappears, my life would be worse, much worse than the shelter.
Back.
I would be lonely. Hola, I am Symone, a nice, small, kind girl. Do you have any puppies left at the shelter for adoption?
That.
Oh,
And the only puppy left is Jack the puppy.
I'll take him. Yay! Now I am adopted. You guys will always be important to me. I am sorry. I didn't realize this earlier. I got adopted by Symone. Now I'm feeling very grateful and joyful and playful.
Outside the shelter.
That.
Colorín colorado, este cuento se ha acabado.
Are the story wranglers bringing